Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Well, this is supposed to be my triumphant first cook on my new grill. But alas, during the unboxing video, I discovered there was a huge freaking dent in my new grill. Now, I want to give a shout out to Lowe's who made it very, very easy to return. It absolutely wasn't their fault. It happened in shipping. You could tell because the box was deformed, so totally not their fault. They did a great job, but my new grill's not here yet. So I had to come up with an alternative. And I did, and a little bit strange for the Galley of the Sun. I'm gonna be cooking burgers inside. Now, it's 106 out right now, so I'm sort of happy that I'm cooking burgers inside, but we'll see how they turn out. So today we're gonna make cheesy garlic cheeseburgers. Or is that just cheesy garlic burgers? I don't know. It's a relatively simple recipe, but when I went through it and looked, it looks like it's going to be delicious. Of course, put some Galley of the Sun twists on it, and let's get to making it. So, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take 2 pounds of ground beef. Now, of course, as always, we're using our aged ground beef. Goes into a bowl. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Italian herbs, which is just oregano and basil mixed together. As always, the ingredients, their amounts, and the directions are down in the description section. But really, today it's so simple, you can trust me for once when I'm telling you the amounts. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. So now we're going to mix all that together. Once you have achieved homogeneousness, you can take it out of the bowl. And we're going to separate it into 6 equal-sized patties. Okay, those look roughly equal. Get them into the patty shape now. Now that we have our cutting board cleaned off, we're going to take an entire French loaf and cut it in half. Oh, oui, oui. Or if you're not French, ouai, ouai. Okay, so on the bottom of my French loaf is going to go a 1/4 cup of butter. And on the top is going to go a 1/4 cup of butter. We're going to get that spread out. That wasn't as softened as I thought it was. All right, now with my softened butter, a 1/4 cup on each side. There we go. Now on the bottom, I'm going to put 6 pieces of sliced provolone cheese. Now, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cook up the ground beef. And all I'm going to do is cook it on 5 minutes on one side. I have a cast iron skillet back here, heated up to medium. 5 minutes on one side, 5 minutes on the other side. And then we're on to the next step. All right, burgers are browned. I took the provolone back off because I jacked that up because first I need to hit them with this garlic powder. A teaspoon. Now goes on the provolone, 6 slices. Then goes on our burger patties. Now you may see some pink in them. That's okay, we're not done. Now goes on 6 slices of mozzarella. Ain't nobody pooping tonight here. Ah. Now the top bun. No, that's the bottom. That doesn't matter. It'll still work. Now we're going to wrap that in foil. Onto a baking tray and then into a 375-degree oven for 10 minutes. It's fresh out of the oven. Let's get this thing on a plate and stare at it. All right, it is now time for judgment. This is served with a bowl of marinara for dipping sauce. And here goes the judgment. All right. Is it garlicky?
Yes.
Is it cheesy?
Yes.
Is it worth a damn?
Yes.
There we go. We've hit the trifecta. Cheesy, garlicky, worth a damn. Hey, I hope you enjoyed what you saw today. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave us a comment. Until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.